It's just 11 weeks until Christmas, and I'm back with another idea to make your holiday gifts extra special. This week, let's focus on a simple yet powerful gift, a framed photo. Photos make incredibly meaningful gifts because they keep memories alive and loved ones close, whether it's a picture for the wall or a snapshot to sit on a desk. Imagine the joy of giving a framed photo that captures a cherished memory, like a family portrait, a favorite vacation spot, or a moment you never want to forget. And here's a tip. If you give a frame, it doesn't have to be a one-time gift. Next year, you can update the photo with a new memory, like the latest family portrait or that beautiful shot from your most recent trip. It's a gift that keeps on giving. One practical note when framing photos, be sure to use a mat between the photo and the glass. This prevents the photo from sticking to the glass over time, especially if there's moisture or direct sunlight. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in preserving those precious images. Why are these displayed photos so important? Because they become part of your daily life. You don't need a screen to see them. And every time you catch a glimpse, it's like a small deposit into what I like to call the love bank, both for you and your family. Kids seeing themselves with their loved ones around them every day helps create a sense of belonging and warmth that technology just can't replace. So if you're looking for a gift that's personal, thoughtful, and sure to be appreciated year after year, consider a framed photo. And remember, here at PSG Photo Solutions, we're ready to help you use your photos to tell your story so that they last for generations. Reach out today and let's start creating a gift that brings joy long past the holiday season.